All right, guys. So, welcome to step number three. So, in step number three, what we'll be doing is we'll be creating our bonus page. Yes, our bonus page, and the reason is very simple. We want to make sure our conversion is we're having a good start. Yes, because if you are promoting a product and then you are just driving directly to your affiliate link, it's going to affect your own stats, and in fact it's going to really affect the vendors stats. It's going to really affect the vendors stats. And we're doing that if you are sending direct traffic to such affiliate to such an offer through your affiliate link. You're just driving traffic to your affiliate link. The vendors, other vendors will actually check out that. They want to check out if a product is converting before they can begin to promote it. And once they see that, wow, a lot of traffic is coming to this offer, but the sales already made is just very low, is very low, and for an offer to be converting, at least must have gotten to about let's say 5%, about 5%, 8%. Yes, that's I think the minimum. Anything other than that is not really a good launch. It's not converting. The product is not converting very well. So you don't want to be the affiliates that will be damaging a vendor's product launch. So what you need to do is to create a bonus page. Yes, and I've gotten two professional marketers which I know, which I relate with very well, and I'm going to show you their own examples that you can copy, and then you can also use and set up your own bonus page as well. So for instance, the bonus page is just you want to give out some stuff so that people can actually buy through you. You give them irresistible stuff, something that's even more than the product you are promoting. You overwhelm them with a lot of free stuff so that they can pick up and then buy the products you are promoting through your own link. Yeah, so a lot of affiliates will be doing that. They'll be giving out a lot of free bonuses, just to make sure people buy through their link. And if someone is never interested in a product, because of your bonus, they are going to buy it. They are going to buy. Just in fact, they will check everywhere and make sure they pick up your bonuses. They pick up that product because of your bonuses. So it's just as simple as that. So here is one. If you're income, I guess you should know him. He's one of the number one one of the top guys in Nigeria, crushing affiliate marketing and actually product launching. So what you should do, if you are promoting a product, you create a special page, a special bonus page. So you can see this is one. It's actually promoting a video software, software. So you can see he has actually gotten a little brief intro about from the sales page. He has gotten a bit intro here, and then he now moves on to say you should buy through my link. You see, you will get the following fast action bonuses below if you get Create Studio through me. That's if you're income. If you get through me today, then you are going to get this series of bonuses. So you can see bonus number one, Facebook video ads, and then you give a little explanation on this. But his own one thing I want you to know, you remember, you are selling to like this guy now is selling to international audience, to foreign audience. So he'll actually be speaking professionally, speaking good English and all of the likes. Those and actually his audience will flow with it. But you might be promoting to local audience, to Nigerians, to I don't know, anywhere, maybe except maybe you're running ads. But if you are promoting to just your own audience, maybe Nigerians, then you don't want to just continue writing in English like this. And that's why I got Prosper's bonus page, which I'll still go into shortly. How you also learn from him how he writes his bonus offers. So you can see, so he gives, this is bonus number one, Facebook video ads, and then he puts its affiliate link right here. Remember, we have shortened our affiliate link, so you insert that link right here so people can get the product they are promoting from the link right here. You go to bonus number two again, and then you tell briefly about what the bonus is all about, and then how it's beneficial to them and the product they are purchasing, and then you put your affiliate link. Bonus number three, make money stuff, and then you put your affiliate link Bonus number 4, you can jam pack as many bonus as you want. The more bonuses you have, in fact, the more easier you get your conversion. And don't just go for bonuses that you just want to fill up your bonus page. Look for something that is, catchy and attention, that will actually get people results. If it is make money online, Nigerians want stuff that was going to make them money online. So if you have any methods, new guides, or you have a guide or PLR book, anything that will help people make money online, you can add them up and tell them to get it, and then you give them your bonus for free when they pick up your product. So you can see bonus number 9. You can see this is done for you, Facebook and Google Ads marketing. A lot of guys will actually love this. So you can see, and then bonus number 10, and then 11, and then number 12, and then bonus number 12. So you can see, so they are getting 12 amazing bonuses when they buy through when it's visitors buy through his link. So if you don't have any idea where to get bonuses, don't worry, I'm going to include, I don't know, I should drop this, maybe I'm going to drop it in the group, or I don't know, I'm going to drop it somewhere, sure. So I'm going to let me see, I'm going to drop it in the group. Yeah, I'm going to drop it in the group, so you find it, I think, alongside this video, or I don't know, don't worry, I'm going to yes, I don't know, I'm going to mention that later, sure. So so okay, I've mentioned I'm going to include bonus where you can get bonuses. Yes, where you can get bonuses. I actually have a folder here where I get my bonuses to where I get my bonuses to share with my visitors, so they can buy products that I'm promoting through me. So this is example 1, using Ifyong Income's templates. Just create a single page and then compile your bonuses and then list them, what it should do for them. And then this is another one, bonus page from Prospernoir. In fact, it says Prospernoir will force you to make money. So you can see how it does this, but what it does is, you can see it's going to be local. You have to engage, you have to make your audience feel you have to flow with them, not the normal English that Ifyong has written right here, writing plain English. That one is writing to a specific audience, an international audience, that's how they want. But here, our language, Prospernoir actually speaks in our language, and then you can see he puts in all the all the ginger and everything. I love the guy writes very well. So you can see so just make sure, and then you now begin to list your bonuses. So you can see bonus number 1, resell rights to his PayPal course. So if you have a PayPal course, or you have his own, you have purchased resell rights to products before, you can include it right there and tell them that instead of them to pay money for it, they are going to get it for free. So you can see that's number 1. And then number 2, resell rights to cash on demand system. Oh wow, you can see, so if you've actually known my product before, you can see this is my product, cash on demand system ebook, and Prosper actually purchased the resell rights. Yes, he purchased the right for about 50k. He purchased the right for 50k, and the guy is just amazing. So he purchased the right for 50k, and I know he has done more than 100 sales or 200 sales on that product, and he's selling the product 500,000 for 5,000 naira. So I know the guy has done a lot. So you can see he bought this book from me, and then he's giving out now as a bonus right here, and he has actually sold this copy. Okay, you can see he has sold other copies of this. So the next, let's see, bonus number 3, one of his courses again for 15,000 naira, but then is giving that for free. So you can see they are irresistible bonuses that someone wants to pick up and then get. So bonus number 4, you can see ClickBank creation package. He has sold 150 copies already, and then okay, I think that's all. So you now kind of talk more and more. Okay, I think it's being, I can see more bonuses again. Bonus 1, free access to a secret video. Bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4 on. You can see there are a lot of bonuses. In fact, there's this kind of bonus, I don't know, it's very hard for guys not to actually purchase and not buy from him. So you can see why it says you're going to get a product for just $9. So even the product will not work at all, but then the bonuses is giving, we just say, well, let me get that product, and then I'll get all these amazing, crazy bonuses. In fact, if I actually wanted all this, I can also go ahead and pick it up, but I don't need it. So, but you can see this kind of stuff will get you more conversion and make you an easy commission. You just take the time and then create your own bonus page, flow with it, put as many things that is very valuable to it. Mention the price that normally you should pay this, but I'm giving you for free just for the next few hours. You pick it up and then I will send it to you, on and on and on. I don't want to share a link to this because it won't be okay, but you should have understood what I'm trying to say. You make sure you pile up valuable bonuses that's going to help your subscribers or your audience or your visitors. So I said I was going to give out bonuses, so I'm going to take time now and compile all these okay, actually I get my bonuses from JV pages. When vendors are launching their products, they create a they have a JV page, a JV doc, sorry, where affiliates can go to and get and then they get what's the name, they get bonuses that they can use. So these are some JV doc page where they add bonuses, and then I actually save them right on a folder. So I'm going to compile all this inside a file or a document, I think doc or notepad, I'm not sure, just one of them. I'm going to compile them and then I'm going to post it in the group, so you can actually go there and you can find lots and lots of bonuses inside each of them. So just select and bring them out and then create your own bonus page like this, something very very keen and very tempting and enticing, and making people to actually pick up whatever you are recommending for them to pick up and what they should buy. So I think this is very clear now. But step number 3 is to create a bonus page. So you don't want to waste your time driving traffic up and down, and then people are not actually, you're not getting conversion. You want to make sure you get conversion from the efforts you put in driving traffic or cold traffic to your squeeze page, because we'll actually be creating our squeeze page, which is in the next video, because it's from our squeeze page that people will come right here. Or if you have a list already, then you can drive that and right from your list to your bonus page, and then to your then they go all over to pick up the product. So you can see this is his bonus page, and then you can see this is where he inserts his affiliate link, and then if you scroll down you can see this is where he puts his affiliate link. So your affiliate link will be on your bonus page. Now try as much as possible not to promote products and then you direct them straight to your affiliate link. No, you let there be a bonus page. It will help you get more conversion and help you to actually get more results and help you to earn more commissions online. So if you have any question, please you can ask either here or on Facebook or on Facebook or on this YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go on and subscribe. So I think we are having a headway right now. So in the next video I'm going to share with us how to create a squeeze page, So I'll see you in the next video, but for now please go ahead and create your bonus page, and if you have created yours you can share the link under this video if you want, so I can actually go and access it, or you can message me privately so I can check it out for you and access it and see well if it's okay or anything you still need to do or anything you still need to add to. So I've also included, I'm going to include in the comments where a doc on, or I don't know, maybe I should create a special doc on bonus, where to get bonus pages. I'll be updating that later on, so I'm going to create a doc on that later on. So alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. This is step number 3, creating a bonus page. So go ahead and create your bonus page before we start driving traffic and getting affiliate commissions. Thank you and bye bye.